Airplanes?
Are you excited? Airplanes!
Whoa.
Ready?
Whoa. Push.
Good job.
Wow.
This neat.
Whoa. Is there big airplanes, Cash? Where's the airplane? Airplane over there.
Let's go.
Wow. Come on. Whoa. And this is Airplane Park, or Runway Park. Wow. Jason. We're on good old runway 28, breaker. We got I'm coming, Cash. We got an airplane coming in hot and tight. I got your hand. Cash, look at the airplane's coming. Look, hey, there's an airplane coming. Wow. What? Yeah, you want to ride that?
Yes.
Okay, I don't know if that's someone else's though. Okay. Cash, look.
It's gonna be me. It's gonna be me in a couple
There's an airplane coming.
Well, congratulations. Thank you. There's no more parts my husband is.
There's an airplane coming, Cash. Jason, I see you back there.
You too.
Hi, big boy. Yeah? Hi, big guy.
Yes.
Yes, we are at Runway Park. Waiting for an airplane to take off, and Cash and Kason want to play with this. Stand by for departure. We are just kicking it, watching the airplanes land. Whoa, he's landing. He landed. Do you see it? Do you see it? Whoa. Hi, baby. Did you see the airplane land?
Did you see the airplane land, Bubba?
Really? Cash, are you riding a scooter? No.
No.
I think you are. Jason, did you see it? You see the plane? There goes brother.